Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make shrimp rolls at home. First, ensure you have all your ingredients prepped and ready to go. You will need about 1 pound of fresh shrimp, peeled and deveined, along with an assortment of crisp vegetables such as shredded lettuce, julienne carrots, and thinly sliced cucumbers. Don't forget your rice paper wrappers and a delicious dipping sauce to complete the experience. Now let's cook our shrimp to perfection. Bring a pot of water to a rolling boil, then add your prepared shrimp. Cook them for just 2 to 3 minutes or until they turn pink and opaque. Immediately transfer the cooked shrimp to an ice bath to stop the cooking process and keep them tender. Once cooled, slice each shrimp in half lengthwise. This makes them much easier to arrange in your rolls. Assembling your shrimp rolls is a fun and simple process. First, dip one rice paper wrapper into warm water for about 15 to 20 seconds until it becomes pliable. Lay it flat on a clean surface. Arrange a few shrimp halves and a small amount of your prepared vegetables on the bottom third of the wrapper. Fold the sides inward, then roll tightly from the bottom up, creating a neat, compact roll. Your homemade shrimp rolls are now ready to be enjoyed. Serve them immediately with your favorite dipping sauce, whether it's a classic peanut sauce, a tangy sweet chili, or a zesty nuoc cham. These fresh rolls are perfect for a light meal or a delightful appetizer. Remember to check the description for the Oala water bottle link and other great deals to enhance your culinary adventures. Enjoy every delicious bite.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.